The critical role of supply chain management in the COVID-19 vaccine production and distribution. The production and distribution of COVID-19 vaccines during the pandemic represented an extraordinary achievement in global supply chain management. As governments, health organizations, and pharmaceutical companies raced to meet the urgent demand for vaccines, the supply chain played a crucial role in ensuring their rapid and efficient delivery. The scale and complexity of this task were unprecedented. Never before had a vaccine been needed by billions of people across the world simultaneously. One of the greatest logistical challenges was managing the cold chain required to store and transport certain vaccines. Some vaccines needed to be kept at ultra-cold temperatures, as low as -7 degrees 94 degrees Fahrenheit, to remain effective. Maintaining these stringent temperature controls throughout the supply chain was essential. Any deviation could compromise the vaccine's efficacy. To overcome this, pharmaceutical companies and logistics partners worked together to expand and upgrade cold storage infrastructure, including developing specialized transportation solutions. Cold chain management became a crucial component from manufacturing sites to distribution hubs and final delivery points, including rural and remote locations. The supply chain for vaccine production extended far beyond the actual vaccines. It also included the sourcing of raw materials such as chemical components, glass vials, and syringes. These materials were often sourced from multiple countries, creating vulnerabilities in the supply chain. At the peak of the pandemic, global demand for these raw materials surged, leading to shortages and bottlenecks. Manufacturers had to quickly form strategic partnerships with suppliers and take proactive measures to secure a steady flow of critical materials, avoiding disruptions to vaccine production. The distribution of vaccines was further complicated by lockdowns, restricted travel, and reduced air freight capacity due to the pandemic. To address these obstacles, companies partnered with global logistics providers to create efficient distribution channels. Real-time tracking technologies were employed to ensure the timely delivery of vaccines, particularly in areas where transportation networks were strained. Logistics firms optimized the limited air freight capacity to prioritize vaccine shipments, ensuring that the global supply chain kept moving despite external challenges. The success of the COVID-19 vaccine supply chain was driven by the resilience, adaptability, and innovative thinking of the companies involved. By harnessing technology and data analytics, companies identified and addressed weak points in the supply chain before they could escalate into larger issues. Strategic investments in infrastructure and enhanced collaboration with stakeholders worldwide were key factors in the successful distribution of vaccines. While the global vaccine supply chain managed to meet the immense challenge of COVID-19, it also revealed critical areas for improvement. The pandemic underscored the need for greater flexibility, more robust infrastructure, and comprehensive contingency planning for future global health emergencies. Building more resilient supply chains is essential for responding to future crises and ensuring that life-saving resources reach those in need without delay. The lessons learned during the COVID-19 pandemic can serve as a blueprint for future global health logistics. As supply chain professionals continue to refine these systems, they will be better equipped to manage future disruptions, whether they be health-related or otherwise. The COVID-19 vaccine rollout demonstrated the power of global collaboration, innovation, and the critical importance of a well-managed supply chain in addressing urgent global challenges. The global vaccine supply chain faced an extraordinary test during the COVID-19 pandemic and largely succeeded in delivering vaccines to millions across the world. However, the challenges it faced also serve as a reminder of the ongoing need to strengthen supply chain networks, ensuring that they can meet future demands with speed, precision, and resilience. How can the supply chain industry continue to innovate and apply these lessons to future global health initiatives? What areas of the vaccine supply chain do you think need the most attention in preparation for future health emergencies?